right? So judging by this mat, I'm pretty sure you guys have assumed that I'm going to teach you some, I don't know, poker or card cheating technique. I am going to do that, but I'm also going to show you the difference between how card cheats deliver the winning hand in poker and how magicians deliver the winning hand in poker. For this demonstration purposes, I will be using these Bicycle World Poker Tour playing cards. Okay. So this is how. I'm pretty sure you guys have heard of the bottom deal. Or bottom deal is a method of card cheating. That's what it looks like. So let's say there are 5 players playing. So first card goes here, second to this guy, third, fourth. Now if you're a card cheater, here you'll do a bottom deal which looks like this. This is for demonstration purposes. The bottom deal isn't done so obviously, and there are at least people who can do the bottom deal a billion times better than me. But it's for demonstration purposes, so I'm showing you what the bottom deal looks like this. So again, second card, then they'll do the bottom deal again. Third card, and they'll do the bottom deal again. Fourth card, and then they'll do the bottom deal again. And last hand, and bottom deal. Now see, this guy has 2 tens, which is fine. I mean, it's not a very great hand, but it's not too bad as well. This guy has 2 fours. Again, not a very good hand, but not a very bad hand as well. This guy has nothing. It's a pretty bad hand. And then this guy has, he's got 2 nines. Not too shabby. But of course, since I'm a card cheat, I have given myself the winning hand, which happens to be the 4 aces. So that is how card cheats will deliver the winning hand. But if you're a magician, this is how you will deliver the winning hand. Now magicians don't need to do the bottom deal because we've got magic in our fingers. No, we don't, but still, you'll understand. It's just regular dealing. No fancy business going on. Just standard stuff. And then last round. Now see, this guy has absolutely nothing. This guy has one of the worst hands you can ever get. His high card is 10. I mean, can you beat that? It's such a bad hand. This guy has, he's got a high card ace. Not too bad. This guy also has a high card ace. Again, not too bad. And then this guy, high card ace. Now I'm pretty sure you've noticed that the hands over here, they got aces. But I said I deliver the winning hand, not the 4 aces. And the winning hand happens to be the royal flush. Before we jump into this tutorial, I just want to thank you guys for tuning into today's video. I guarantee you this trick will fool every single person. I mean, this is such a good trick. It's a magician fool, I'm telling you. And it's super simple. Even if you're an amateur, you'll be able to pull this one off. This trick does require a setup. And here's the setup. You take the 4 aces. Doesn't matter what order these 3 are in, but the ace of spades has to be on top here, and then you place on the bottom. So on the bottom, this card is the bottommost card of the entire deck. Okay, and on top, here's the setup. King of spades, queen of spades, jack of spades, and on top the 10 of spades. So I do this routine where I tell the spectators that I'm going to show them how card cheats will deliver the winning hand versus how magicians deliver the winning hand. This is the general routine. So you deal cards to 4 players. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last card goes to you. For the last card, you will do a bottom deal. Don't actually do a bottom deal, do like an exposed version, a joke, you can say, of a bottom deal. Because to tell them how card cheats will deal. Now this is what you've done. Since you've delivered the top 4 cards, this guy has got the 10 of spades, jack of spades, queen of spades, and king of spades, while you've dealt yourself the ace of spades. Okay? Now again you just go on dealing from top. 1 2 3 4. Bottom deal for yourself. 1 2 3 4. Bottom deal for yourself. 1 2 3 4. Bottom deal for yourself. And last round, bottom deal for yourself. Now here's what you do. You pick up this guy's deck first, show them what cards he has. I make jokes or whatever, tell them that this guy's got a very bad hand because he's got no pair and his high card is a king of diamonds. So you can do whatever you want. Now you close it up, flip it face down, and then put it right over here. Same thing with this guy. Open it up, show them he's got the 2 4s, flip it and put it face down on top of this. Again, same thing with this guy. He's got 2 queens, whatever. Flip it and then put it on top. Same thing with this guy as well. Flip it and put it on top. Now you show your hand, telling the spectators that I have delivered the 4 aces to myself, or given the 4 aces to myself. Thus, this is the winning hand. But this is how card cheats do it. So then you close up, flip it and put it back on top. Now you tell them that, now you will show them how magicians will deliver the winning hand. Now this is all you have to do. You just have to deal normally to 4 players here and deal normally to yourself. Now this is basically a self-working trick. Okay, so just deliver normally, deal as normally as you can. No fancy business, nothing. Just standard dealing. Do it as, slowly or cleanly as you can. Now you show them, again you go through the same thing. You show them their hands. Like it's got 2 9s and 2 6s. Not a bad hand at all. Again, this guy, same. This guy, again, not a very good hand. Now in the last hand, this is what you tell them. You tell them that you may have noticed that these past few hands have had the aces, but I told you that I will deliver myself the winning hand. The winning hand happens to be the royal flush. So guys, that was the tutorial for this royal flush dealing method. It's very easy. It's basically self-working after you do the setup. It's basically a self-working trick. This thing fools every single person and it is super easy. By the way guys, I hope you like this new setup of this poker mat, even though it says blackjack over here. We'll cover this. If you like the new setup, please do subscribe to my channel. Click the notification button, notification bell, what am I saying? Click that bell so you get updates when I post my videos. And yeah, that's it. I'll leave a link to a couple of videos over here, a playlist, and I will leave the subscribe option somewhere over here. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed and I will see you all next time.